East Africa's top governance service provider lead has welcomed on board a number of private sector entities in finance and manufacturing, for example, as focus tends towards the Business Resilience Convention slated for 27th next week. Away from effective governance, technology and the growing digital transformation, plus environmental protection are among prominent concerns that have been taken into account for sustainable development.
The key theme that was chosen is around governance, business resilience in this ever-changing environment. And the whole purpose is to ensure that we equip directors, both prospective and current directors of organizations, to ensure that they carry out their duties well in the right way. In terms of the organization of the convention, I've been working with a large team to ensure that everything goes well. But in terms of a snippet of what our program looks like, we're going to have a keynote address on the theme. We're going to have 4 key discussion topics. One is around risk management. The other is around technology, the role of technology in governance. We are also going to talk about environmental social governance matters.
When you have to change your board members, your board composition, the composition of your audit committee, what impact does that have on organizations? But we're also looking at post-COVID, the disruptions of technology. We're going to look at the fintechs and the challenges they've been having in governance. We've seen all over the world, there's serious governance challenges. I think we saw what's happening in COSASE.
Fintech is our future, so we feel this is a very, very important topic, which we know that everybody needs to be ahead of. It keeps changing on a day-to-day basis, but this will give us a very good foundation as to what we should be doing in the organizations that we are operating in to ensure that we are creating sustainable organizations into the future.
So this convention for LEAD, which is happening next week, is giving us an opportunity as business leaders in our respective industries to network and demonstrate our commitment to effective governance, responsible business practices, and unwavering resilience. Together, we can enhance the opportunities presented by the ever-changing regulatory landscape and build a brighter and more sustainable future for our organizations, our stakeholders, and society as a whole.
Private sector strongholds such as NCBA Bank, Uganda Breweries and Equity Bank have committed themselves to the cause, availing a cumulative 37.5 million to set pace for the combo to address resilience and sustainable business across East Africa.
This convention will bring a lot of experience in sharing how different boards have become resilient and sustained businesses in the challenging environments. For any of you who is aspiring to be on a board, like myself, it is a great opportunity to learn, network, and I'd like to advise you, especially women, not to miss it. With these remarks, please accept our contribution of 5 million Uganda shillings. Uganda Breweries has come in with some support, about 16 million Uganda shillings worth of support.
For participation, $50 have been tagged to member entities and $80 for non-members for grant beyond access to invaluable insight, networking opportunities to support initiatives that will make a lasting impact on the business landscape.
A seat for a non-member is $80 and for a member it is $50.
Addressing business sustainability gaps in East Africa has now been opened to include technology integration, environmental protection, among other development factors for economic growth. Bronia Katsime, Smart 24 TV, Business Today.